Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today we're looking at something futuristic, stylish, and useful. This is the Xiaomi smart glasses. They're designed to blend tech with everyday eyewear. But do they really work as smart as they look? Let's find out in this full review. The Xiaomi smart glasses are one of the boldest steps from the company into the wearable world. It's from the outside, they look like regular glasses. But inside, they're packed with technology. The design is slim and clean. There's no bulky camera sticking out. The frame is lightweight and fits comfortably on the face. It doesn't feel heavy after hours of use. Xiaomi did a great job keeping the look subtle. You can wear these in daily life without drawing attention. The matte finish gives them a premium feel. The frame is made from a strong plastic and metal. It feels solid in the hands. The hinges are smooth and tight. The nose pads are adjustable and sit well on most face shapes. It's water and dust resistant to some extent, which helps in daily use. There's a tiny speaker on both sides, near the ears. You also get a microphone and some sensors around the frame. Even with all this tech, Xiaomi managed to keep the glasses from looking too bulky. Now let's talk about the display. The Xiaomi smart glasses use a micro LED display with a waveguide lens. The screen is placed in the right lens. It's small, but sharp. You can see notifications, messages, and directions without moving your head. The display is bright enough indoors and usable in outdoor lighting too. It adjusts brightness based on the surroundings. The information appears like it's floating on the lens. You don't get full videos or rich media, but it's enough for quick glances. It's a heads-up display, not a screen replacement. One of the best things about the display is how discreet it is. People around you can't see what's on your lens. Only the wearer sees it. The UI is minimal. You get text messages, calls, basic app alerts, and navigation prompts. There's no color display. It's white text on a dark background, which helps with battery and clarity. Now let's talk performance. The Xiaomi smart glasses are powered by a custom chip made just for wearables. It runs fast, handles notifications instantly, and doesn't overheat. Everything feels smooth. You don't have to wait for apps to load. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth and pulls notifications in real time. The voice assistant is responsive and understands commands well. It supports Xiaomi's Zhao AI, and it's also compatible with Google Assistant in some regions. You can accept or reject calls using your voice or gestures. Swiping on the frame lets you move through options. Everything works well. A touch. Controls are reliable and smooth. It doesn't lag or misread input. Even when you're walking, the glasses stay stable and keep working perfectly. Xiaomi has added noise reduction tech to the mic. This makes voice commands more accurate even. In noisy places, software is a key part of the smart glasses experience. Xiaomi has kept the interface clean. You get only the important alerts. It doesn't bombard you with every app notification. You can choose what shows up. You can also turn off notifications when you don't want to be disturbed. Navigation. Support is great. Get turn-by-turn directions on the screen. It's very useful for walking in cities. The software syncs well with Xiaomi phones, but also works with other Androids and iPhones with some limits. There are built-in apps like weather, calendar, and voice notes. You can ask questions and get short answers from the assistant. For privacy, the glasses notify you when the mic is active. There's no built-in camera in this version, which makes it safer for social spaces. This also helps with battery life and trust. Xiaomi focused more on utility and less on spying. The battery life is surprisingly good. The Xiaomi smart glasses last around 10 to 12 hours with normal use. That includes receiving messages, checking directions, and using the assistant a few times. If you use it only for calls and light notifications, it can last longer. Charging is simple. Use a magnetic charger that connects to the glasses. It charges fully in about 90 minutes. There's no wireless charging, but the magnetic method works well. Battery life can drop if you use voice commands constantly or stream audio through the built-in speakers. Still, Xiaomi has managed to give solid battery performance for something this small. The power-saving mode kicks in automatically when not in use, which helps. Now let's talk about audio. The glasses come with open-ear speakers on both arms. These speakers direct sound toward your ears without covering them. The sound is clear and loud enough for daily use. You can listen to music, take calls, or hear notifications easily. Others around you might hear faint audio, but it's not loud enough to be annoying. Xiaomi uses directional sound to keep audio private. The audio quality isn't like high-end earbuds, but it's decent for its purpose. Voices sound sharp, calls are clear. It's perfect for quick conversations, audiobooks, or navigation. The bass is light and volume is moderate. It works best indoors or in quiet places. In crowded areas, it can be hard to hear everything clearly. Still, the mic picks up your voice even in busy streets thanks to its noise cancellation. Now let's talk connectivity. The Xiaomi smart glasses use Bluetooth to pair with your phone. The connection is stable, reconnects quickly after turning on. You can pair it with both Android and iOS. But the best experience is with Xiaomi's own phones. It syncs faster and offers extra features like custom shortcuts. There's no Wi-Fi, SIM slot, or standalone mode. It's made to work as a companion device, not a full replacement for your phone. Price and value are always important. The Xiaomi smart glasses are priced much lower than many other smart glasses in the market. You're getting good tech and a clean design for a reasonable price. Xiaomi didn't try to do everything. Instead, they focused on a few useful features and did them well. For people who want hands-free alerts, basic smart functions, and a wearable screen, this is a great option. You won't get AR games or rich media. But for daily use calls, messages, weather, and navigation, it works great. It's stylish, useful, and comfortable. And for the price, it delivers more than expected. Xiaomi is known for giving strong value, and this product continues that trend. Let's quickly go through the pros and cons. Pros. The design is clean and stylish. It looks like regular glasses. It's comfortable to wear all day. The display is bright and sharp for its size. Battery life is better than expected. Voice control is fast and reliable. Audio is decent for calls and basic use. It's affordable compared to other smart wearables.cons. It doesn't support rich apps or full media. No camera or AR functions. Audio is not loud in crowded places. Best features work only with Xiaomi phones. No wireless charging or waterproof. Rating in the end. The Xiaomi smart glasses are a great step into the smart wearable future. They're not flashy or overloaded with features, but they do what they promise, and they do it well. If you want a subtle, helpful gadget that makes daily life easier, this is worth checking out. Thanks for watching TapTech. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest takes on the latest gadgets, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We've got more smart tech coming your way soon. See you in the next one.